I'd just like to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for always partnering with me when I bring a community service project to your attention. Whether it be me and my family bringing ideas to you, or me bringing forth the ideas of our future leaders that they dream up to serve our community, you always pitch in and you align with the visions. And I just want to say thank you. More recently, you partnered with me and my girl pod, as I like to call them. You partnered with us on a service project in which we collected over 1,000 items to donate to our Salt and Light Ministries local women's shelter here in Burlington County. The girls were so excited and they used all of their skills that I taught them during our homeschool sessions to be able to run this service project from start to finish. And again, we thank you. For Lily Jean's first birthday, we collected money from you and we thank you. We were able to donate over 60 teddy bears to our local police department to police officers here in Willingboro Township. They were going to keep them in their squad cars for when they perform wellness checks for children or when children unfortunately accompany adults in the police station during a traumatic event. We thank you for helping us get those comfort items to the officers. During this holiday season, we want you to be a part of the Lookout Project with us. Myself, Alan, and Ailani look out for those who are in need. Can you just be one of God's good, gracious, grateful givers, as we're calling you? We need your help to help us serve those 38 elderly people living in a nursing home in a local women's shelter that women and children will certainly call home during this holiday season. Although we aren't able to go in and visit and spread love like my family normally would due to the pandemic, we want them to know that we certainly have not forgotten about them. You can send a one-time donation of any amount or the full amount for one of the kits that my family will put together. You can find those kits listed here on the website or in the description box or comment section of this video. For the residents that we're going to deliver to the aforementioned locations. Ailani, me, and Alan, we really appreciate you all getting behind each act of service that God places on our hearts in all seasons. We love you.